Ever pondered on the most profitable products to import from China? Today, we unravel this mystery. The world of import and export is a vast, exciting realm, teeming with opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. A key to unlocking these profits lies in the heart of the East China. The secret? Buying in bulk. Now let's delve into the top 10 most profitable products to import from China. First up, we have health and beauty products. With an increasing global focus on wellness and self-care, these products are flying off the shelves, making them a surefire way to net some profit. Next, consider the humble trolley bag. Whether for travel or daily use, these are always in demand. Following closely, household items are also a great choice. From kitchenware to home decor, the possibilities are endless. Fourth on the list, we have solar inverters. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, solar inverters are becoming increasingly popular. Next, mobile accessories like smart pouches, hands-free devices, and chargers are a profitable venture due to the ever-growing smartphone market. Coming in sixth, we have sewing machines. A staple in many households, these machines promise a steady stream of profit. Seventh, we have cosmetics. With the beauty industry booming, cosmetics are a top pick for import. In eighth place, automotive parts and accessories. With a growing number of vehicles on the road, there's always a demand for these products. Ninth on the list, air purifiers and humidifiers, a must-have in many homes for their health benefits. Finally, we have kids' toys. With new trends constantly emerging, the toy market is always ripe with opportunity. Consider these products to kickstart your import business. These are but a stepping stone into the vast world of import. Remember, buying in bulk is your key to profit. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy importing and selling!